Hi guys, I hope you are well. Here we are discussing about the question number 4A. So before starting this, I want to share something. Encyclopedia provides a PDF and the handwritten assignments. If you need these assignments of NIOS or other platform also, so you can contact us on our WhatsApp, which is 900 936 8238. And if you need any other queries, you can contact. Now the question number 4A, which is that the Green Revolution has made India self-reliant in terms of food, grain production. On the basis of given statement, illustrate any foreign impact of Green Revolution in India. So this is question is taken from lesson 17, about 100 to 150 words. If you need this, contact us today. So we will provide all the answers accordingly. Thank you so much for watching, and we will meet you soon in the next video.